Good afternoon, student.
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good
Here,
afternoon, ma'am.
here only 8 student. What I can do? Should I wait? I have two class in a day. Okay. So first class, I could not attend, but all of you have to attend for second class, right? I am waiting for you, people, and you are not in online mode. Have you written practical in your copy, which I given to your practical group? Only three people have submitted the practical copy. Practical
Yeah,
in.
ma'am. Ma'am, I was in now. My network is not good.
Okay, five people have given the practical copy.
Ma'am, right now I'm going to submit.
Okay, who have present in class? So I want to tell you that for experiment number, for experiment date, it should be that date which date I have discussed the practical. Okay. So what was the last class? No, in last class we have discussed the question and answer, right? So I think 19. Okay, let me check which date I discussed this practical. Can you tell me which date I was discussed pH determination? 12/10. Is it? Nobody remember which date I discussed the pH determination?
No, I don't remember.
I think it was
Can you
12/10 to no, 2020. 12/10. Next, we have
can you repeat, ma'am?
12/10/2020. I think I'm not confirmed because I forgot. And
What is your
19.
question, ma'am?
Okay,
Ma'am,
what was my
ma'am,
question? I
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
have asked you that what did I we discussed pH determination. I cannot remember it.
ma'am,
Can you tell me which state I have discussed the pH determination?
Yes, ma'am. I'm checking.
Okay, second tell me.
Ma'am, it was 12 October.
Okay, 12 October. Okay. So listen everyone, for this experiment 3, you have to write the date of the experiment is 12 October. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
who have submitted already, corrected the date of experiment. That one is 12 October.
Okay, ma'am.
And who have not submit yet, please try to complete in this class only and try to submit before 3 p.m. So for this
No, no,
experiment, yes, you want to ask something? Hello?
no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So for this experiment, I have given you the PDF file, right? So what you have to do, you have to do the practical in your lab, and you have draw a table, right? So in table, you have to write what you get in the practical. So the table is for now the table is empty. So after doing the experiment, you have to fill up this table, okay? And in conclusion also, I have written that sample number dash and dash are acidic, right? Yes or not? Have you check it?
Ma'am.
Okay, check that. In conclusion, I have given that sample number dash and dash are acidic. Next, sample number dash is basic, and sample number dash is neutral. So, after doing the experiment, you have to write that which sample you get in acidic. So, you have to write. Suppose sample number 1 and 3 you got as a acidic. Okay, so in conclusion, you have to write that sample number 1 and 3 are acidic, and sample number 2 is basic, sample number 4 is neutral. Like that. Okay, after doing the experiment, you have to write this conclusion. And table also. In table, what you have to do that in observation, you have to write the sample number. In serial number 1 you have to write the sample number 1. In serial number 2 you have to write the sample number 2. In serial number 3 you have to write the sample number 3, like that. Okay, next, color of the pH paper. In color of the pH paper you have to write the what color you found for each and every sample. Okay, suppose you get for sample number 1 you get red color pH paper. So in pH value you have to write which red color you found. If you compare the pH paper to the pH shade, then you can clearly see that the color, and you can compare the color with the color shade of the pH paper, pH scale. So after comparing the pH paper to the color shade of the pH scale, you can easily determine the pH value. So you have to write that value, which value the color is matching. Okay, got it? And in type of solution, see, in type of solution you have to write, if you got pink color or red color, then type of solution will be acidic, right? You remember that? For red color, the what solution you found, you can conclude that solution is acidic, right? Like that. Okay, for all each and every sample you have to write like that. Got it? Have you any confusion about it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you already got this in class 10, I think. Yes, class 10. In class 10 there is a pH acidic and basic part. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So who have not submit the practical copy, submit before 3 p.m. Okay. And write the experiment date correctly. If the participant is less, but in first class, attendance is more than 10 student. But what happened to you for this class?
I think, ma'am, they are confused because you have both class, na, ma'am. In two class you have one in
No,
1 o'clock and one in 2 o'clock. And I think they told that
In
they
this
should.
time, listen, in this time, the is only mine, right? So, how can be the class will be other for others?
No, ma'am, it should not be others, but they thought that I think maybe ma'am will take only one class.
It will be difficult for you to, if you have less attendance, uh, mm, so you cannot give the exam, final exam. We are giving warning to you, na? So nobody will consider the attendance because in this time the attendance is online, right? So everyone can see it. That's why no one can be considered for final exam if the attendance is low. So I will discuss some question again in this class because I don't want to give you new experiment in online mode because if offline class will open, it will be easier for you to do practical in lab, right? So I will not give you new experiment in this class. If offline class will not opening and online class will be continuing, then I will give you new experiment and 70% of 70% syllabus from syllabus I have completed the experiment and only two experiments left for discuss. So I will not give you the new experiment. So for this experiment, pH determination, I will discuss some question. Okay. So can you tell me what is pH scale? Can you explain the pH scale?
Ma'am,
Yes.
वो मतलब पहले ना पिछले ईयर पे कब एग्जाम हुआ था फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का प्रैक्टिकल आना।
क्या क्या बोला नहीं समझ में आया मुझे.
मैम मतलब वो पिछले ईयर का ना
हम्म.
मतलब कौन से मंथ पे एग्जाम हुआ था फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का।
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का तो फाइनल एग्जाम ऐसे जून एंड जुलाई जुलाई में तो नहीं होगा, जून में ही होगा शायद. इस बार तो
नहीं
जून.
नहीं मैम,
देन
मतलब कौन से मंथ पे हुआ था।
फाइनल एग्जाम ना.
हाँ वो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का।
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का तो जून में ही होता है ना, जून में ही होगा शायद एग्जाम.
जून जून पे
या जून में होगा.
इतना देर बाकी है मैम, तो जून पे होने से तो मतलब जनवरी नहीं तो दिसंबर में होगा ना।
Sorry. First semester will be in first of December or last of November. I think. नवंबर में तो नहीं होगा शायद, दिसंबर में होगा.
वो सीजनल एग्जाम है या फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ।
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का दिसंबर में ही होगा, दिसंबर फर्स्ट वीक और सेकेंड वीक में होगा.
तो सीजनल नहीं होगा ना।
सेशनल का अभी पता नहीं चल रहा है बिकॉज अगर ऑफलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट हुआ तो शायद होगा. अगर ऑफलाइन क्लास स्टार्ट नहीं होगा तो इस मंथ एग्जाम हो भी सकता है.
हाँ हाँ। तो हम लोग को उधर प्रैक्टिकल तो ऑफलाइन क्लास में ही करना पड़ेगा ना, तो नहीं होगा
अभी तो
फर्स्ट
कुछ
सेमेस्टर।
इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. अभी तुम लोग सिर्फ पढ़ाई करो और इस पे मत ध्यान दो, ठीक है. ऑफलाइन क्लास होगा है या नहीं, ऑनलाइन क्लास में तो सब कुछ मिल ही रहा है. तुम लोगों को प्रैक्टिकल नोट्स मिल रहे हैं, क्लास नोट्स मिल रहा है, सब कुछ मिल ही रहा है ना. तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. एग्जाम कब होगा, एग्जाम के टाइम ना ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन हो एग्जाम तो होगा ही होगा, ठीक है.
हाँ
तो उसके लिए तैयारी करो. सेशनल एग्जाम होगा या नहीं अभी कंफर्म नहीं है.
हाँ मैम।
Okay, so can you give answer explanation of pH scale? Can you explain the pH scale? Anybody want to give answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Uh, pH value help us to determine whether a solution is acidic or basic in nature.
Okay, so can you tell the values?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the values?
Yes, the scale range from 1 to 14.
Sorry, it's start from 0 to. I have told you repeatedly that
Okay,
the pH ranges start from 0.
okay, ma'am.
So, tell me. Tell me from its ranges from 0 to 14 and from where to where will it stand for acidic, from where to its basic.
Um, from 0 to 7 is acidic,
Hmm.
7 is neutral, and from 7 to 14 it's basic.
Okay, very good. If anyone asks that explain the pH scale, so you have to give answer from what is pH value, and you have to tell the values ranges, and from which values stand for acidic, basic, neutral, etc. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
then you will get the full marks.
Okay.
Everyone got it? Everyone? Why are you not talking?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you not talking? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Two or more people are talking, but most of you are in silent mode. Vibration sound. Which sound is vibrating? Sahil?
Ma'am, if someone is speaking, then means sound
Yes,
got vibrating.
here three teachers are in a room and they are also in class. That's why. Your
Ma'am,
physics ma'am, your biology ma'am are also in this class and also they are taking class.
ma'am, then you are in college right now. I thought you were in home.
We're in university. We're coming university from November, August. August, from August we are coming university.
Ma'am, then all the teachers should go and teach in university, ma'am.
All the
I thought,
teachers are coming. All the teachers are coming in university, but not student. No student present, but all faculties are coming.
ma'am, then you should stay in home, ma'am.
What?
And then you should stay in home and teach because it will be
No,
difficult.
it's our duty. So for faculty, they instruct me to come university. They instruct us to come university. We're
Ma'am,
coming. We're not coming regularly. We're coming one day after one day, and from today it will be regular for all faculties.
then it will be difficult. Only coming and going, no student.
But online classes is going on, na?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, where is your home? In Guwahati only.
I am from Nalbari district.
Nulbari, no? Ma'am, where from Nulbari you used to go in Guwahati? Or you used to stay in Guwahati only?
I used to stay in Guwahati only. How can I come from Nalbari? Nalbari is far from Guwahati. Okay, I am staying in Guwahati.
Ma'am, in university there is no teacher
Huh?
for teacher. Ma'am, in university for teacher there is no another room to stay
No.
because
In university there is no room or no uh, no buildings for stay for faculty. Only university have hostel for student. Okay.
ma'am. Yeah.
You want to know everything for attitude.
Ma'am.
When you will come, then you can see it.
Because I went one time, then I asked someone, but no one know. I asked in the one house is there, ma'am. I asked them, "Sister, used to stay or not in there?" I asked, but they don't know.
Only student can stay in university campus in hostel, not faculties. Some faculties are staying in hostel, but most of the faculties are coming from outside of campus.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any other question? Okay, any question from the experiment I have discussed?
No question.
Okay, I'm going to end the class right here. Okay, so
Ma'am,
start.
ma'am, PH date what you told us about.
Huh? Huh?
Ma'am, means this experiment date what you told.
I have told already, na?
Ma'am, can you please tell again? I forgot.
It
It's
was
12,
12
12,
October.
yes, 12 October.
Yes, ma'am.
For experiment 3, the experiment date of experiment 3 is 12 October. All of you correct the date of experiment, okay? So start giving your attendance in chat box. Balos, Sadak.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you came later? The class is
Because
going to end now.
oh, sorry, ma'am. Because I said I thinking that your your network is so bad. That's why you are writing in WhatsApp. That's why. That's why. Can you
मैं
speak in
told you
Hindi, ma'am?
हाँ हाँ तुम हिंदी भी बोल सकते हो बोलो
मैम, क्योंकि हम सोचे कि मेरा मेरा ये बैंक का मिस कुछ काम में जाएगा बोल के मेरा भी ये हो गया ना मिस ब्लॉक हो गया मिस में मेरा ये बैंक अकाउंट ना उसके लिए हम थोड़ा निकलेगा बोल के हम ऐसे सोचे मिस क्लास क्लास नहीं होगा पर
ये जो तुमने रीजन दिया ये वैलिड है क्या
हाँ
ये जो तुमने रीजन दिया बैंक में जा रहे हो ये वैलिड है क्या
नहीं नहीं नहीं
वैलिड
मेरा
है ना
पूरा ये
हाँ तुम
मिस
पूरा
मैम
मतलब बैंक में ही थे ना
ना हम बैंक में नहीं थे पर्स में हम घर में था मिस आपका मिसेस
घर
को
में
देख
था
के हम
तो
भी सोचा है मिस आज
बैंक में
तो
कैसे गया
मिस सोचा मिस आपका मिसेस को देखा मिस मैम आपका
हाँ
आ,
तुम लोग तो आजकल
हम
मैसेज भी
सोचे
नहीं देख
आज
रहे
किसने
ग्रुप का
प्रॉब्लम होगा आपको ऐसे ऐसे सोच के हम मेरा आज बैंक बैंक में भी मेरा इतना दिन से मैं ब्लॉक किया है ना ये मेरा एटीएम उसके लिए हम निकल गया था अभी हम बैंक में ही है क्या
इट्स
करेंगे
ओके देखो बालो अगर तुमने सब कुछ
आइंदा
मिस
ऐसे
कर
गलती
दिया
नहीं होगा
सुनो तुमने
हाँ
सब कुछ मिस कर दिया इस क्लास में कुछ तो ना कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट था जो तुमने मिस कर दिया ठीक
हाँ
है अब
यस मैम
तुम्हारे फ्रेंड अगर है तो उसे पूछो क्या क्या बोला मैंने इस क्लास में और
ओके मैम
ग्रुप में अगर देखा एक्सपेरिमेंट मैंने पीडीएफ दे दिया वो लिख कर
हाँ
ग्रुप में भेज दो ठीक है
ओके मैम
ओके अटेंडेंस दे दो चैट बॉक्स में Carly, you record the roll numbers.
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, record the roll numbers.
सब अपना रोल नंबर लिखो चैट पे.
Give your roll numbers in chat box, everyone. Have you given, all of you, have you given your roll numbers in chat box? So, Carly, can
Yes,
I lead the
ma'am.
class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Balo, try to come first in class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry.
This time I consider, but next time I will not consider you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.